fitness buffs already have the Under Armour Sport Wireless Flex by JBL to help them power through workouts, seeing that the around-the-neck style paired of Bluetooth headphones features an IPX5 rating. However, for those wishing for an on-the-ear alternative, that's where the recently launched UA Sport Wireless Train comes to mind. One cursory look at them, it's instantly undeniable that we're dealing with a sporty-centric pair of headphones, as they feature a design that's meant for workouts. The rubbery coating that covers the majority of the headphones definitely helps to repel sweat and water, but even better is how our ears are ventilated because of the breathable fabric that lines each ear cup. On top of that, we appreciate the collapsible design, which helps to condense itself even more when there's not as much room in our bag. If there's one complaint we have with the design, it has to be the extremely tight fitting, to the point that our ears feel sore after an extended period of time. Sure, this tight fit does help in ensuring that the headphones don't come off unexpectedly during workouts and heavy movements, but the compromise made in the process is ear fatigue on our part wearing them. Most of the playback controls are fashioned into the right ear cup, offering us humongous controls for volume up, volume down, a multifunction button, and a power switch. The coolest feature with the UA Sport Wireless Train has to be the talk-through technology that amplifies ambient noise instantly by pressing the UA logo on the side of the right ear cup. It's definitely useful when you have to quickly switch from listening to music to conversing with people. The amplification works rather well in our opinion. Audio quality is equally favorable as well in our time using it, producing a well-balanced output that's accompanied with an ample but not too overpowering level of bass. They're rated for up to 16 hours of battery life, but its fast charging technology mentions 1 hour workout time with only 5 minutes of charging. Expanding its line of headphones for active users, the UA Sport Wireless Train comes in with a retail price of $200, which seems promising from what we can gather so far. And that is it for a quick hands-on look at these headphones, guys. If you want to learn more about them, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.